Welcome. In front of me is a Black Shark 5 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool. They come provided with a device in the box, but you can also use a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have one or the other, you'll want to then proceed by taking off the cover of your phone if you have one on, and then locating the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. Now you'll find two pinholes. You want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout right here. So there we go. As you can see, once you push it in, the tray does come out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you have space for two different SIM cards on either side, and you can occupy both of those trays if you want to. I'll be utilizing only one of them. So place the card on there with the chip side up, make sure that it clips in there and it's flush on the tray, and from there insert it back into your phone. The card should start working automatically, so there we go, enter SIM pin. And that's it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.